Hey TikTok fam! Today, I'm sharing some awesome ways you can earn money right here on TikTok. Let's get started. First up, the TikTok Creator Fund. If you have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, you can apply to the Creator Fund and get paid based on your video views and engagement. Next, we have brand partnerships. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products. Reach out to your favorite brands or join influencer marketplaces to find sponsorship opportunities. Did you know you can earn money during live streams? Your followers can send you virtual gifts, which you can convert into real money. So go live and engage with your audience. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn. Promote products you love and share affiliate links. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Why not sell your own merch? Create and sell your own clothing, accessories, or digital products to your followers. They love supporting their favorite creators. Use TikTok to drive traffic to your other platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or your blog. More traffic means more opportunities to monetize. If you have a business or product, running ads on TikTok can help you earn money by reaching a wider audience. Last but not least, offer consulting or coaching services. If you're a TikTok expert, help other creators or businesses improve their TikTok game. So there you have it, 8 ways to earn money on TikTok. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and follow for more tips. Bye!